So number one, make sure your belief is at the peak level. And number two, make sure you are giving enough clarity to the prospect so that he can make a conscious decision. Welcome to Ask No One episode 10. In this episode, I am going to ask a question asked by a small kid. Not really a small kid, somebody who just crossed teenage. Okay? Sir, I am 21 years old. And when I show the plan to my friends, they are also in my same age. And they have a problem that they don't have money. So they need to ask money from their parents. And then, together with the parents, they all got negative. What should I do, sir? So this was the question. This kid is 21 years old. Actually, he's not a kid, a young boy, right? And he showed the plan, he explained the business opportunity, and then the prospect, the kid who was at the same age of him, his friend, went home and started asking money from the parents. And parents start asking, what is this business, blah, 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 a lot of questions. And then he told network marketing, right? And parents got negative. And parents didn't give him money, right? So this happened to this kid so many times. So he's asking what to do, right? So these kind of questions, I got a lot of questions on my YouTube channel, and I have a good answer for these kind of questions. So the first thing I want you to know, do you believe in this business? If the answer is yes, how did that belief came into you? Is it just by you attending one training for maybe 2 hours or 3 hours? Or is it a combination of a lot of different trainings, programs you attended? Of course, right? It's a combination of a lot of programs, right? Okay. So for human brain to believe in something, they need to go through a lot of information about that industry. Okay. So I'm going to tell you again, if you want to get that belief, you have to go through a lot of information about the company, about the appliance, about the industry, right? About the systems and everything, right? Once you get enough information, you get clarity that, wow, I can believe this, and I believe that I'm going to be successful from this business also, right? So taking and getting that belief takes a while. So what you should do with the prospects? Maybe you are showing the plan just 1 or 2 hours, or maybe 3 or 4 hours maximum, right? First thing is, you believe in this business 100% because you are transferring your belief to the prospect. That is the first thing. And the second thing you can do is lengthen the process. If you are showing a plan for just 1 or 2 hours, right? It is difficult for somebody to make a decision to spend few lakhs of rupees or maybe few thousands of dollars, right? Just because of a 2-hour presentation. Right? So if you lengthen the process, where the prospects learns about the mindset, gets a better mindset, and prospect also getting certain level of personal development in him, right? And then he is also getting to some positive association, and then understanding about the industry, understanding about the company in a bigger way, right? And understanding about the future opportunities, understanding about uplines, trainings, systems, what he has to do after he sign up, right? Negativity about the industry, negativity about the company, right? And the positivity about the industry and positivity about the company, how many millionaires this company and the industry has already made, right? If you take him through much more information, the clarity of the prospect will become higher. The more the clarity, the more they can make decisions, right? So if you give good clarity to the prospect, even if he's 21 years old, doesn't matter, right? When that discussion happened between mother and the kid, or maybe the father and the kid, the father or mother might be telling, no, this is a scam, don't do this. But if you give enough clarity to that kid will be arguing with the mother, fighting with the mother, and will be telling, please give me the money, I believe in this business, I know this can work, I know I can make my life so beautiful, right? Because of this business opportunity, right? They will discuss and they will argue with their parents and they will bring that money and sign up with you, right? So number one, make sure your belief is at the peak level. And number two, make sure you are giving enough clarity to the prospect so that he can make a conscious decision. Right guys, so I hope you got the answer for this question. It's again about giving them the best clarity and The clarity will help them to make a better decision. Right, guys? So I hope you got the answer and hope to come again with another video next week. Ask No One episode 11. Right? Till then, have a good day and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you guys. The V.